Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and I'm so excited to have you with us today. As the winter season is upon us, we're going to talk about something that often gets overlooked, but is incredibly important: moisturizing your hands and neck. Winter can bring us that wonderful crisp air and cozy sweater weather, but it also tends to dry out our skin. While most people remember to focus on their face or body lotions, the hands and neck often get neglected. These areas are crucial, not just for keeping your skin feeling comfortable, but also for maintaining its health and youthful appearance. We'll cover why these areas need extra care, share some tips for keeping them soft and hydrated, and even dive into some DIY moisturizing recipes perfect for this chilly season. And don't forget to stick around for details on my upcoming workshop, Radiance and Ritual, Skincare, Self-Care, and Seasonal Renewal, happening on December 21st. It's going to be an incredible experience, and I can't wait to tell you more about it. All right, let's get started. First, let's talk about why the skin on your hands and neck needs extra attention during the winter. The skin in these areas is thinner and more delicate compared to the rest of your body. This means they're more susceptible to environmental damage, like cold winds and indoor heating, which can strip away natural oils and lead to dryness. Now think about how often your hands are exposed to the elements. They're constantly being washed, sometimes even with harsh soaps, and they frequently come into contact with various surfaces. This frequent exposure can cause your hands to dry out and crack more easily. On the other hand, your neck is often left exposed to the cold air and UV rays, even during winter. These factors combined make both areas more prone to damage. Another reason to give your hands and neck special care is because these are the first areas to show signs of aging. Without proper hydration, you're more likely to see fine lines, wrinkles, and even sagging skin develop more quickly here. It's essential to keep these areas moisturized to maintain their youthful appearance and overall health. So, as we move forward, remember that adding these small steps to your skincare routine can make a huge difference. Up next, we'll be sharing some practical tips to keep your hands and neck soft and hydrated all winter long. Now that we understand why it's so important to care for our hands and neck during winter, let's dive into some practical tips to keep them moisturized and feeling great. First off, choosing the right moisturizer is key. Look for creams or lotions that contain nourishing ingredients like shea butter, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or ceramides. These ingredients help lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated longer. For your hands, consider using a thicker balm that can provide a protective barrier against the elements. For your neck, opt for a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer that won't feel heavy under your clothes. It's also crucial to moisturize your hands immediately after washing them. Frequent hand washing, especially with harsh soaps, can strip away natural oils from your skin. By applying moisturizer right after washing, you can lock in that hydration and prevent your hands from drying out. Keep a small tube of hand cream in your bag or at your desk for easy access throughout the day. Even though it's winter, don't forget about SPF. The sun's UV rays can still damage your skin, even on cloudy or cold days. Make it a habit to use a moisturizer with SPF on your neck and hands during the day to protect these areas from harmful rays. Next, let's talk about protecting your skin from the cold. Wearing gloves and scarves can make a significant difference. Opt for materials that are gentle on your skin, like cotton or cashmere, to avoid irritation. Gloves will protect your hands from the cold wind, while scarves can shield your neck. It's a simple step, but it can tremendously help in keeping your skin moisturized. Finally, pamper your skin at night. Apply a rich hand cream before going to bed, and consider wearing cotton gloves to help the cream absorb better. For your neck, use a nourishing night cream, or even a facial oil to give it an extra dose of hydration while you sleep. Making these small adjustments to your nighttime routine can lead to softer, more hydrated skin by morning. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to keeping your hands and neck soft, smooth, and healthy throughout the winter season. Coming up next, we'll explore some DIY moisturizing recipes that are easy to make at home and perfect for the cold weather. Stay tuned! Now that we've covered why it's so important to care for your hands and neck during winter and shared some practical tips for doing so, let's switch gears and talk about some DIY moisturizing recipes that you can whip up right at home. These recipes are not only effective, but also allow you to know exactly what ingredients you're putting on your skin. Plus, they're a fun and rewarding way to take your skincare routine to the next level. Let's start with a hand balm. This recipe is perfect for those extra dry hands that need a little more TLC during the winter months. What you'll need are 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil for scent. To make the hand balm, you simply melt the beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter together in a double boiler. Once everything is melted and well combined, remove it from heat and add in your essential oil. Pour the mixture into a small container and let it cool until it solidifies. Voila, you have a rich, nourishing hand balm that's perfect for keeping your hands soft and smooth all winter long. Next, let's talk about a neck serum. The skin on your neck is very delicate and can benefit from a little extra love, especially during the winter. For this DIY neck serum, you'll need ingredients like jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and vitamin E oil. These oils are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help keep your neck skin hydrated and youthful. To make the serum, simply mix a tablespoon of jojoba oil with a teaspoon of rosehip oil and add in a few drops of vitamin E oil. Mix well and transfer the serum to a small bottle with a dropper. Apply a few drops to your neck and massage it gently into your skin. This serum is lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for daily use. There you have it, 2 simple, effective DIY moisturizing recipes to keep your hands and neck in top shape this winter. Making your own skincare products can be a fulfilling way to customize your routine to your specific needs and preferences. Plus, it's a great way to ensure you're using natural and nourishing ingredients on your skin. Coming up, we'll talk about how to make these steps part of a daily ritual that feels less like a chore and more like a moment of self-care. Stay tuned. Now that we've covered some practical tips and DIY recipes for keeping our hands and necks moisturized, let's discuss how to turn this routine into a soothing self-care ritual. First off, integrating hand and neck care into your daily schedule shouldn't feel like an obligation. Instead, think of it as a small gift to yourself, a moment to pause and indulge in some much-deserved pampering. By taking just a few extra minutes each day to massage moisturizer into your skin, you're not just keeping dryness at bay, but you're also creating a mindful moment where you can relax and unwind. Imagine this. At the end of a long day, you've finally settled down. Rather than quickly slapping on some lotion, take the time to truly enjoy the process. Squeeze a dollop of your favorite hand cream, warm it between your palms, and slowly massage it into your hands. Pay attention to each finger, your knuckles, and the backs of your hands. This not only helps the moisturizer absorb better, but also promotes circulation, giving your skin a healthy glow. The same goes for your neck. Use gentle upward strokes to apply your cream or serum, and take a moment to breathe deeply and release any tension you might be holding. This practice doesn't just benefit your skin, it can be a brief yet powerful act of self-kindness. Turning these steps into a ritual can make your skincare routine feel luxurious rather than rushed. It's a perfect opportunity to disconnect from the busyness of the day and focus on self-care. Plus, the improved circulation and relaxation you'll experience are incredible bonuses. Remember, these simple actions are about more than just moisturizing. They're about carving out a bit of time each day to care for yourself. Making it a ritual underscores the importance of consistent self-care and can leave you feeling more centered and rejuvenated. So next time you reach for that hand cream or neck serum, slow down and savor the moment. Your skin and your overall well-being will thank you. Stay with us because up next, we'll be wrapping things up with some final thoughts and a little more about the upcoming workshop. Don't go away! Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and it's been such a pleasure talking about the importance of moisturizing your hands and neck this winter. I'd love to hear your favorite winter hand or neck care tips, so please share them in the comments. Your insights could be really helpful to others in our community. Don't forget about the upcoming workshop, Radiance and Ritual, Skincare, Self-Care, and Seasonal Renewal on December 21st. Limited spots are available, and I can't wait to share this transformative experience with you. Winter can be harsh on your skin and spirit, but with the right care, you can glow from the inside out. This workshop is designed to leave you feeling nurtured, empowered, and ready to embrace the season with joy. Until next time, take extra care of your hands and neck and keep embracing the whimsy in every day. Bye for now.